Hey everyone, today we are going to see in this vlog about the newly launched Jiobook from Reliance for the year 2023. It has been already released on October 2022 and the recently launched one has been more lightweight. The laptop has been launched at the Amazon website and has been priced at 16,500 rupees. This device is expected to be one of the most economical 4G laptops available in the Indian market. The laptop weighs around 990 grams with a matte finish. It has a 11.6-inch LED display with an infinity keyboard and a fairly large trackpad. It also houses a 2MP webcam for video calls. There are two USB ports, one mini HDMI port and 3.5mm headphone jack port. You can also use a 4G LTE SIM with this device and dual band Wi-Fi for connectivity. This device is powered by 2 GHz Octa-Core processor with 4 gig RAM. It also promises over 8 hours of battery backup and it has 64 gig of internal storage which can be extended to 256 gig with the help of a micro SD card. The laptop has been built like a PC in the sense that with JioOS, that is the OS which is going to get supported in this laptop, is having 75 plus shortcuts, native apps, extended display, touchpad gestures and etc. So it do have the anti-glare HD display and stereo speakers which helps you to work outdoors. It do support the feature named Always on Internet with 4G LTE SIM, and the SIM can activate it either in two ways. First one is home activation, that is through you need to register for new SIM card on Jio website and you need to schedule an home visit for activation, and the second method is SIM activation at Jio store. So it's Jiobook SIM can also be activated at various Jio stores around you. Just carry your Jiobook at nearest Jio store for activation. They provide 1 year carry-in warranty, that is 12 months warranty from the date of purchase of Jiobook, and warranty period and coverage for accessories and battery is different. So you need to connect with Jio Service Center to get more information on this. It do offer to support the wireless printing and the webcam is HD. The laptop's screen resolution is 1366 into 768 pixels. The only available color as for now is Geo Blue. As of now in the Amazon website, it has been mentioned like this item will be released on August 5th. So you can pre-order now. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Bye bye, take care.